Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x when we are given square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 4. So to start with, we are going to rewrite this as the square root of x. We transfer this to other side, and here we have equals 4 minus the square root of minus x. So having this, let's try to take the square of both sides, as we have root x raised to power of 2 equals 4 minus the square root of minus x raised to power of 2. So here this cancelled, and here remains x equals, when we try to expand this, we are going to have this as 16 minus 8 root minus x plus, so when this multiply each other, then we have this as minus x. This is what we get. Next we have x equals 16 minus 8 the root of minus x. So when this multiplies each other, we have it as minus x. So next we have, suppose we take this here and we also take this one here, we are going to have this as x plus x, and when 16 also come, it becomes minus 16 equals minus 8 root minus x. So x plus x, that gives us 2x, minus 16 equals minus 8 square root of minus x. So 2 can go in everything. So when we divide everything by 2, we have this as x minus 8 equals minus 4 the square root of minus x. So after getting this, let's try to take the square of both sides for the second term, just to get rid of this root, as we have x minus 8 raised to power 2 equals minus 4 the root of minus x all raised to power of 2. So when we expand this, we get x to the power of 2 minus 16x plus 64 equals, so for this negative, this square will take care of negative, and this negative becomes positive. Then here we have 4 square, and also the root of minus x will also take square. So here we have x square minus 16x plus 64 equals, so for square here it gives us 16, and when these cancel each other, we have it as minus 16x. So by collecting this one here, we have, or without collecting, we can just say this and this cancel each other, since one is negative and the other one is negative, so they cancel like that. So at this side we have x to the power of 2 plus 64 equals 0. So for this one, we have to take this 64 to other side, as we have x squared equals minus 64. Then we take the square root of both sides as this. So this equals plus or minus the square root of minus 64. So here we have this cancelled, as we have x equals plus or minus, we have to separate this for it to have minus 1 multiplied by 64. And following the rule of sort, here is plus or minus, we can separate this as square root of minus 1, then multiply by the square root of 64. And we have to note that if we have the square root of minus 1, this gives us iota. So we have to replace it. Then we have x equals plus or minus I, then the square root of 64, that gives us 8. So you can finalize this as we have the value of x equals plus or minus 8i. And here is the result to this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.